properties and how much capable of your computer to take the load. The second thing is that you have to try is that go to the connection status and then click on there, and then you rescan your server. Proper server connected, selected. Okay, so make sure you have selected the proper server over here. Then you will come back to the symbol over here. So as you have seen that I already have Assalamu alaikum. This is Ali here from aliforex.com. One of my subscriber, he requested that he needs to have my number, so I given him. And then what he has done is he sent me some of the problem he is facing, that waiting for update of his mt4. He's always facing this problem, waiting for update. So let's get into it, how to resolve this problem. So this video will be short, and if you are facing the same problem, if you get the benefits from any of my videos, please subscribe my channel. My channel is growing, and I believe I can provide you the value of forex and trading investment. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, I will say, as according to his screenshot that he has sent me, that I observed he has opened a lot of charts on his PC. So this isn't supportable to the computer maybe. So first of all, let's see what is the computer capability. As you can see, this is my system properties. Okay, my processor is 12 gen Intel Core i7. Okay, Core i7, and this is 12 gen. Okay, not a play. And my installed RAM is 32 GB. Okay, and the other thing is 64-bit, and I'm using the Windows 11. So the main thing is that you must have about 16 GB to 32 GB of RAM. Okay, and also you must have Core i7 12 gen or Core i5 to support of your PC. That means I meant that if you open a lot of chart over here, I usually trade, let's say for me, I usually trade a lot. I usually open a lot of trade same times, and I also open up a lot of chart in my PC. So you just can't compare to me that if I open a lot of chart, you can open to your computer. That's not the things. It's depend on the computer properties and how much capable of your computer to take the load. The second thing is that if your computer is not able to take the load, and then your computer will be hanging, right? And thus it will not connect to the internet, and you will face the chart will be waiting for updates. So This is the first steps to close all the charts you have opened. Let's say if you have opened a lot of chart over here, let's say like this, a lot of chart, okay, you have opened a lot of the chart, right? Lot of the chart, you see. So once you have opened a lot of chart, and you will see the market is actually telling me, the chart is telling me waiting for update. You see, waiting for update. That means my PC is very fast, and still I'm getting this waiting for updates issues. So what you have to do is you have to close all the charts and only just go to the market watch and then open up one chart at a time, and you see waiting for update. So once you close the mt4 and reopen the mt4 window, the software, then you will see that your mt4 is getting update all the time. So you don't have to update it manually. The only problem is your PC speed. And then second issue is your internet connection. If your internet connection is not stable, then of course the problem will come. Usually in Bangladesh that the internet speed is very slow in the period of evening to until to 10 p.m. Usually after 11 p.m. to morning 9 a.m. the internet connection is stable, remains stable. So you can just try at that time if your problem is solved. So the other thing you have to try is that go to the connection status and then click on there, and then you rescan your server. Okay, just rescan it, and it will automatically rescan and find your server over here. I'm not sure if you have logged in and you have the proper server selected. Okay, so make sure you have selected the proper server over here, and also you need to make sure the login detail is input correctly, and then after you log in, it should be fix your problem. If this also doesn't fix your problem, then you can go ahead and let's say you can just, I don't know how to show you. Let's say you wanna delete all this chart from here, whatever chart you have, okay, to your broker. You have to delete all the chart, and let's say I wanna delete GBP SGD. So just go and hit to the delete key on your keyboard, delete Euro USD. You see the chart is deleting. Okay, you just keep on delete, and it will be deleting all the chart. And after you have deleted all the chart, you have to go back to your symbol over there. So how to get the symbol? Just right click here and then go to the symbol, or you go to the Control plus U, then you will come back to the symbol over here. So as you have seen that I already have deleted, those I've deleted has been turned to the gray, so you need to reactivate them. Okay, after this activation will be after deleting all the chart. Okay, so you just reactivate them, and after reactivation you will see the symbol all has turned to the golden color. And close your mt4 and restart it. This will be solving your problem. If this also doesn't solve your problem, then I recommend you go to the tools, go to the option, and then from there go to the chart, and as you can see there is a maximum bar history in the chart. So that one you don't need too much, you need minimum 5,000, maybe minimum 5,000. Okay, then make sure all these ticks has been placed, and you just go ahead and click OK, and then close your mt4 platform and restart it. After you have restarted, then you will see that your computer has resolved the issue. It should be resolved the issue because you have reduced the load of the computer, that the computer, maybe the RAM or processor isn't enough to take the load of loading the charts. Okay, so in this case, if you have reduced, then it should be working, I believe. And then other steps is, you have to understand that you don't need to open too many charts. For example, as you can see, there are too many charts in my broker's offer. Okay, I actually do trade a lot of them, but I don't open them all. Okay, so in this case, practically the trader open maybe 2 or 3 charts, maybe maximum is 4 charts is enough to your PC. Okay, 1 2 3 4, and then you just can monitor it. So 4 charts is more than enough to your PC. I hope you have solved the problem. Okay, so if you have still same problem, then let me know. I'll try to resolve your issue personally. Thank you.